Greetings, fellow traders and fellow YouTubers. Thank you guys for being here with me today. It has been a wild past couple of weeks. So if you are a US trader or just a Forex trader in general, you have been probably blown away by all the new events that's been happening over the course of pretty much the month of February. So I'm going to give you guys a short breakdown as to what is going on, what US traders can look forward to, and also a much bigger problem that is going on that no one else is talking about. And you guys need to make sure you watch this video all the way through because I'm going to be sharing with you guys some very helpful information that is going to help you with inflation and also other ways to make money that's going to help you keep up with everything that's going on and other alternatives that you can have or do for US traders. All right, so let's first get over the impact with offshore brokers and prop firms being forced to drop US traders. So this is a pretty big impact because for many of us US traders, we don't really have a lot of options when it comes to using Forex brokers. You have Oanda, you have IG, and you have Forex.com as the main US brokers. But the problem with using those brokers is you are very limited on the Forex currency pairs you can trade. You have high margin requirements, you have low leverage, and you have other regulations as well that makes it very difficult for you to trade, such as you can't hedge, you have FIFO rules, and just so many other inconveniences that makes it very difficult for US traders. So when prop firms started coming out, they were able to negotiate contracts with many of these offshore brokers that many of us were not able to have. Brokers like 8cap, Think Markets, Purple Trading, and I'm pretty sure there's quite a few others out there. And this was a game changer for many of us because it allowed US traders to be able to trade CFDs. CFDs are known as contracts for difference, and they basically allow you to trade everything under the sun. You can trade shares, you can trade stocks, you can trade indices, metals, and pretty much any Forex currency pair that was out there. The problem with that in the US is that it is illegal for US traders to trade those. And that's because in the US, with all the regulations, they want US traders to trade stocks with like a stockbroker. And then, of course, stockbrokers have a bunch of requirements that traders have to follow. So many Forex traders were able to bypass all those requirements and get an offshore broker and be able to trade all these different currency pairs and indices without all of these requirements. And it was a game changer for many of us. On top of that, you were able to trade cryptocurrencies, and you were also able to get paid in cryptocurrencies and avoid taxes as well. So MetaQuotes came out and they told um, brokers, offshore brokers, hey, you guys better start dropping your US clients or else we are going to take away your licenses for MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5 platform. So, of course, offshore brokers and prop firms wasted no time and they shut that down so quick because they did not want to lose their platforms and have all types of problems with their customers. And that's what caused the sudden drop of US traders in the market. Now, this is a very big problem for many reasons. First, Forex is still pretty new in the US. However, the world got a taste of what it's like to have US traders in the market. bringing in extra volumes, adding more liquidity, which is allowing the market to have much bigger moves. And basically, it created a lot of opportunities for the market. So when you remove those extra volumes, what tends to happen is you tend to start seeing a lot of consolidation, and the market just doesn't really behave like it should. And pretty much, you have to trade news events, and it just makes trading much more difficult than it should when you have these lower volumes. And over time, we're going to start to see those impacts with fewer traders in the market after the pandemic, when Europe started having an energy crisis, the London session really took a nosedive. It used to be that the London session was the best session to trade. You had big moves, and it was just a awesome opportunity. But sometime around 2022, we started to notice a change, and it took the US session for things to really move. Because during the first 4 hours of the US session is when the London Europe session overlap, and that's when you have the biggest volumes in the market. So we're going to start to see those volumes start to drop a little bit, which is going to make things very challenging, especially for Forex currency pairs. All right. So that's the gist of the issue that's going on, but there's still a much bigger problem. And the big problem that no one is really talking about is the decline and failure of paper currencies. You see the US dollar, the pound, the euro, the Japanese yen, all of these major currencies are actually failing, and no one's talking about it. These currencies are starting to become a secondary market. So, this is a big deal because everyone in the world right now is experiencing massive inflation. But people are only experiencing massive inflation because of them only keeping their money in like US dollar or paper money assets. So when you have a currency that is failing, if there are investments, savings, income, all inside that currency, then the money itself is going to depreciate and not be as valuable. And that is a serious problem because for the people who have moved their money into crypto are actually experiencing massive deflation. Um, I think just a couple months ago, Bitcoin, for example, was hovering between 18 to 20,000. So imagine the people who were able to buy Bitcoin at that price. Today, Bitcoin at this very moment is around 62,000. So many of those people are seeing $40,000 plus gains. So let's just say, for example, you have a budget each week of maybe $200 for the groceries, right? And you start to notice that that $200 starts to look like 250 or even $300, right? Because of the inflation. Well, what if you are using crypto, right? Now you can still use that same $200 budget that you have from your income, and then whatever the difference is, you can use with crypto. But because crypto is surging right now, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even Litecoin, you don't even have to use your own income. In fact, Bitcoin is surging so much that many people are able to just kind of save their entire paychecks and just put it off to the side because crypto is making so many gains right now. And that's a serious game changer, especially for just everyday people. And we're only looking at the beginning of it, right? Because as time goes on, Bitcoin is expected to hit $100,000 per Bitcoin by the end of this year. And ultimately, Bitcoin is expected to hit $1 million per coin. So think about the impact that that's going to have in regards to inflation. So if you're looking to battle inflation, you need to start moving a percentage of your income into the major current crypto coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and then also try a couple long shots like SHIB. SHIB is expected to hit at least a penny, maybe even a dollar one day. And that can potentially create a lot of new multimillionaires and even billionaires if you get in now. And the idea with crypto, one of the mistakes that a lot of people make is they just want to buy and hold as an investment. What I recommend doing is start making that conversion now to where you're living off of crypto. So whatever your income is at your job, um, go ahead and put that money into Bitcoin and then spend it just like you would regular money. With Coinbase, you receive 0.5% cash back and rewards, and you can choose whatever you want your reward to be in. So you can get 0.5% cash back in Bitcoin, which is what mine is set up for. And so the more money I spend, the more money I get back, which is also helping me with inflation. Okay, so I just want to basically reach out to you guys, and I hope everyone is doing well. There's going to be a lot of changes to the Forex market. Many US traders like myself are going to have to find their way back to a US broker. Me personally, I'm going to use IG, and it's going to get rough because now we have to get back to these hardcore. Um, Technical trading strategies and familiarize ourselves with all the rules and regulations with the US brokers. And it's going to take an adjustment. So, if you are looking to be part of a Forex group and work with someone like myself who has been working with Forex for many years, I strongly recommend that you join my private group where I keep up with my team each week and I share ideas and strategies, and I work with people one-on-one. You can go to my website, strive21fx.com, and I'll be honest with you, it is a lot of work. So if you don't have a lot of time, my program won't be well for you. But if you're looking for someone to really work with you, then this is a great program. Just understand that it is a lot of work. It's not right for everyone, which is why I only charge a one-time fee of $200, and that's a lifetime membership. And any updates that I have, you always get those. And you're also part of my personal Facebook as well. So with me, my clients are also my friends, family, and all together. So I don't separate um, everything like most people do, because I understand if you want to make it in this industry, it's going to take a lot more than a good program. You're going to need membership or mentorship, and you're going to be need someone that you can talk to, message, share screens with, talk through trade ideas, and that's what my program is all about. All right. Thank you for checking out this video. Please like and subscribe, and make sure you keep up because things are about to get rough in the US for people who don't make the change to crypto. And I hope that I'll be able to help as many people as I can. And thank you for being here. And thank you if you are also already a subscriber and you're keeping up with all my videos. I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you and have a great day.